Hi guys, we're doing a recipe for our math project, and we would like to show you how to make it first. So what you start with is 1 1/2 cup or
salted butter.
Sticks of butter. Yeah, salted butter. It has to be softened, like at room temperature. Next, you have your 1/2 cup of white sugar,
and then 1/2 cup of
brown sugar, 4 1/2 ounces of dark chocolate, which has to be 50 or 60% melted, but we will get to that later.
The reason why 50 or 60% melted because it makes it more creamy.
Yeah. Next, we have our 2 large eggs. They have to be large specifically. And next, we have our 4 teaspoons of vanilla extract, which we'll also get to measuring them later. Next, we have our 2 cups of flour, which we are spooned and leveled. And then we have our 1 cup of cacao powder, spooned and leveled. Now, let's get on to the steps. So what you want to do first is take the butter.
In a large bowl, basically.
You take the butter.
Or like in a stand mixer, you have to take the butter and
unwrap it with a mixer.
But since ours is like room temperature, so
you put it inside there. You go bleep.
Already mixed the brown sugar in. A good way to tell if your butter and sugar is mixed well is like when it's just the white sugar blended in or mixed in with the butter. It should start looking like cheese puffs, if you know what they are. It'll be like a weird consistency. It won't feel like cheese puffs, but it kind of will look like cheese puffs. And then after that, you obviously add the brown sugar and mix. And then after that, now we have to add the eggs. So we're just gonna and now you have to be cautious with this because we're gonna probably make a mess.
So now we're gonna, as we already mixed our eggs into the batter, we are now gonna add our 2 cups of vanilla extract. Now that as we are still sifting our flour, we are gonna add the cocoa powder to sift. As you can see,
this might take a while. By the way,
in the strainer, it's in really big chunks. But in the bowl, it is into like almost microscopic part. Now you're gonna mix your flour, your cacao powder, and your vanilla extract to your current batter.
So remember, just like I said in the beginning, you have to remember to scrape the edges. Scrape them so no powder stays on. Because if powder stays on, then it's not gonna be good.
Meanwhile, don't mind if we do. Take a look. Yeah.
Sometimes chefs get hungry too, you know? Okay, guys. Now, since we've like mixed the batter thoroughly, we can add the chocolate chips.
You look like a giant turd.
So, this. You mixed up like this. You pour it up like this.
Rise of the little turds.
Be quiet. And then you mix. Okay, now since our cookie dough is ready, we will now put it on your baking sheet or parchment paper, whichever one you are using. And so Danny can start doing it.
So you take 2 spoons, you scoop it, you put it in the other spoon like that. If it's a little too small, take a little more. See that? Now cup it a little bit. Now this is your average baking sheet. You just put it like that.
Okay, so now we're gonna put the second one in. Okay, so now our cookies are in the oven. And
we're gonna wait.
Now we just wait
for 10 minutes.
The longest 10 minutes of our life. Okay, guys. So now the cookies are complete. So now my assistant Danny here, actually my coworker Danny, cause yeah. So he's gonna be taking out the cookies. They look beautiful.
Lumpy turds.
Yeah. Okay. I don't think we need to think about that, but
oh wow,
they look really beautiful, and they're nice and gooey. And you know what? I can't wait to try them.
So now
Okay, guys.
we're gonna try our cookies because we just finished them and we did this hard work, labor. So this last step is try it with some milk.
Look at that.
Mm.
Inside of the cookie.
Cookie. Very gooey.
Mmm.
And with milk,
Mmm.
even better. Thanks for watching,
Thanks for watching.
and we hope to see you guys again.
Mm-hmm.